I hope you know the importance of speaking good English. And then wherever you visit in this world, you communicate with them confidently. You have seen so many people who know this language, so they speak well and they are getting much more salary. They are enjoying their life. Whenever you are talking about yourself, definitely so lacking this language, you cannot able to speak, so you are facing a problem. I have seen so many people, those who speak this language, they are earning much amount of money and they are completely enjoying their life. And those who could not able to speak, people think that that person or this personality, they don't have anything or they have not that education. I don't make any kind of discrimination between those who can speak and those who can't able to speak. We cannot judge their capacities and their capabilities in terms of speaking language. This is like not big task whenever you do practice every day on daily basis, so you can able to speak. Today you are speaking not good, no, not better than that person, but whenever you do lots of practice, whenever you put yourself in certain kind of situations, then your automatically thoughts will come and definitely you can able to speak. And whenever you acquire this language, whenever you thought that you can speak well, so definitely yes, you can speak because it is your thoughts which makes you great. So you, if you thought that yes, you can able to speak, definitely you can able to speak because you have already thought in your mind. So imagination is happening in your mind somewhere. And this is how you are going to change, and this is how you are going to make next level. So my dear friend, keep watching my channel. Before this, I have already told you I have uploaded videos. You can go and watch these videos. I have taken, this is the beginning, and these are the beginning things which I am teaching you and which I am letting you know. In this video, I will also, past video I have given you different kind of situational based examples, and I have given you real based practice. Same things I will do here, so that your learning should not stop and understanding should not stop. Whenever you forget or whenever you are not understand anything, so that means my teaching, it will not become successful. I want you to make you understand. I want you to teach everything in clear manner, in right manner. If you don't understand, you can do comments and let me know. I will get your feedback as great opportunities, because the challenges in your life will make the successful person. So you don't have to forget about these are the basic and primary elements which you must focus and you should continue. Present like anything, any actions or any event or anything which is happened in past and still that is relevant today, or it also make effects present time. So that's called present perfect tense. Let's suppose you have completed your graduations. You went for interviews in organizations. So you went for interviews for that organizations. So why you went there? Because that company, they need graduate candidates, and you have already completed your graduation. You have completed your graduations in past. So that is still its relevance in present times. So I hope with the help of the example you can understand better, and here I'm giving you a real based situational based practice. So I will relate your thoughts in certain way so that you can never forget. So now you have completed your graduations in past times. So now you went for interviews. The company, why they called you? Because you have completed your graduations. So you have completed your graduations in past time. So that is still it is relevance in present times at this time. So it is called present perfect tense. Okay, I hope you understand. So if we try to understand what is the formula of present tense. So first, what they will make, these are the basic things that these are the awaiting things. Advanced these are the clear in your mind. So definitely you will get to know about so many things, and you can format the sentences in various forms, and you can give your answers. So what will be the rule? You can see subject plus has and have plus verb third form and plus objects or complements objects or complements, right? So this is the basic formula you must understand. We will take a sentence and then we will form that sentence into negatives, interrogative negatives and interrogatives. If there is any kind of learning from WH family, so we will also put the questions. You have to understand, you have to analyze the things. There I will also increase questions and I will also respond it in a different ways. You have to also try to think that what could be the answer or what could be the negative answer and positive answer. Now I hope you understand the rule and regulations about this, how you can make. So my dear friend, like this is subjects, okay? Subject, and in the same things you have to put subject with has and have, verb and verb 3, and then after that object or complements. These are the things through which the sentence is completed at the end if you put. So right, so I will tell you like how and when to use has. Has, how you can use? Has you can use with when subject is singular. He, she. I hope these things are visible. He, she, it, and name. Here I can also mention so that for long term understanding you can understand singular. Okay, whenever the subject is he, she, it, name or singular, so you have to use has. And have, how you can use? And have you can use with same thing. Have you can use like she. Have you can use when they, with they, we, I, or any plural subjects. Plural, right? How can use have? So you can use has and have. I hope this is visible. Now you can understand how and where you can use has and have. Has you can use when subject is singular. When subject is singular, he, she, it, name or anything which is singular, you can use has with. And have you can use when subject is plural. They, we, I, and you as well. You. So when subject start from the plural, so you will be using they, we, I, and you. That's how it's going to be clear. That's how you have to understand, because your understanding is important. Then after that you will put verb third. That verb, if we are taking the verb do, so third form what will happen? Done. That's called verb third. Eat, so what third form will happen? Eat, eaten. So this is called verb third. You can see this is called verb third. Do it third forms whenever you make, so it will done. And then eat, it will be eaten. I hope these things are clear, and these are the basic things which I make you understand. Definitely you will improve your communication skills and you will get to know about the grammatical structure. I don't want to go in deeply and make you understand all the things. If you go in deeply, you definitely forget your aim and objective of spoken English. I will not realize you, but these are the basic and important things which I understand. These are the primary things you must understand. Once you understand, so definitely your communication skill will be improving on daily basis. And your learning is important, so that's why I'm doing about all those kind of activities. I was thinking about to not tell you about these are the things, but I thought it will take only 2 or 3 minutes, so I must let you know about these other things. Now what we will do, we will make the sentences. So please keep alive in this video and keep in calculating yourself to learn something new. Yes, I hope you have all this understand, because these are the important things. If you understand, so I'll be great, and it will be great privilege learning with you. Uh, so now we will make the sentence present perfect, so that you can able to understand. I have completed my graduation. What would be the negative one? It would be like negative form. Negative, how would you form? You have to make I have not completed my graduation. Now you can say in negative forms how I made this. You can say I have not. Here the same thing in negative, what will come? I have not. Here not will come. So in negative, whenever you do, whenever you write, so you have to use I have not completed my graduation. I have not completed my graduation because I am studying in 12th class, or because I have completed my graduation, because that is the primary education stage. That is why I have completed my graduation. If you completed your graduation, so you will say I am graduated, or I have completed my graduations. If you are pursuing, so you will be saying, right, I am pursuing my graduation. So it will be present continuous. So but here you have already completed your graduation. So what you will speak? I have completed my graduation. Now you must understand the same things. I hope you understand the rule and regulations, and this will come after whenever you make positive to negative. In negative, whenever you are writing negative sentence, so or whenever you are saying negative sentence, so immediately here you have to use not. I have not completed my graduations, right? I have not completed my graduations because I am studying in 12th class, or I am studying in below 12th class. So I have not completed my graduations. I have completed my graduation because I have completed my 12th class, right? Interrogative, what will be happen here? In interrogative, here you are going to ask questions. Means you have to form this sentence into question. As a questionnaire, you are asking questions. You are asking questions by yourself, or if you have any kind of doubt, so you are asking for those whomever you have doubt, or are you completed your graduations, or do you completed your graduations? So you will you are asking. So in asking, it will be interrogative. It will be interrogative. Yes, it will be interrogative. So interrogative, how will you make? You have to, whenever you make interrogative, so you will take first two. So you have to take first two things first, and then subject will come, and the rest of the things will remain same. So you have to always remember. So this is I have not completed my graduation. So now what we will make interrogative, while doing interrogative. So you have to take the helping verb first. So what is the helping verb? The helping verb is have. So here put have, and after have what will come? The subject. Subject. Have I. Now what will come? The verb third form. Have I completed my graduations? Have I completed my graduation? Have I completed my graduation? Yes, I have completed my graduation. Or I did not complete my graduations, right? So you have to remember, this is the sentence which I have formed in interrogatives. After this, what sentence you can form? You can form in interrogative negative. Interrogative negatives. So this is the interrogative simple. This is positive, and we are going to make interrogative negatives. Interrogative negative. how we can make interrogative negative, like interrogative negative, what will happen? Have I, see, have I, then after after I, here specific will come not. Have I not completed my have I not completed my graduation? So this is interrogative form. Now you have understand about interrogative negative. Whenever we make interrogative negative, whenever we say interrogative negative, of course, as a like question which has negative sign. You are asking questions, but the sign has negative. So have I not completed my graduation? You are asking by your side, by your chances, that have I not completed my graduation? Yes, I have completed my graduation. No, I don't have completed my graduation. Or in this way you can make the sentences. In this way you can make more than 50 sentences. You take out the sentence, or you take out the some kind of any ever the questions comes in your mind, you form that sentence in this sequence, and then you have to also ask the question from your side that yes, this question is having in this sentence, so I should also raise the questions and I should also tell the answer. This way you can ask questions, answer, and try to speak as much as possible and make sentences. So you will learn much more. You will understand what is the formula, and you will get to know about your learning. In the progress of your learning, whenever you take out pen and paper and then write down the sentences and write down your whenever you try to writing about anything, so you will face problem. Then after that you will get to know that whether whatever the sentences you are making, is it right or wrong. So same things in this video I have just informed you about perfect tense. So what I have make all these kind of things, and there after that you can also make this as a WH family. Through help of the WH family you can also raise the questions. If I make with WH, then what I will make? I have completed my graduations. Why I have completed my graduations? Whenever you make, put here instead of using I, you will use why I have completed my graduations. Because that is primary education, which I believe it must completed by everybody, everyone. So that's why I have completed my graduations. And basically I have completed my graduation so that I can get mature education. I will get to know the things whether the right or wrong. Means after completing your whatever the study you are doing, that means that is a mature level of study, and you are learning all these things, because you can identify with what is right and wrong, and where you can where you can do debate, or you can ask what can be the right definition, or what can be the right answer about any topics or anything, whatever you believe or whatever you do study in your college time. So you must understand learning. Everybody on this planet, everybody is learning. We are doing practice and we are exploring ourselves. Nobody is perfect in this world. So you can make and you can give yourself much more practice, and you will get to know. Yes, if you are doing practice constantly on the daily and regular basis, so definitely things will happen and your life will be changed. I hope you like this video, and if you like, so you can subscribe and share your feelings, share your thoughts. Definitely in coming videos, in coming time, there will be lots of videos, lots of solutions, lots of questions I will be raising, and definitely you are going to encounter, and you are going to share your feelings and your thoughts through the comments, and through the help of the video I will put you in innovative techniques, so that you can get benefit, and you are learning, you are helping yourself. It should not stop, it should continue, because This is how the objectives of your lives, and I think this is for everybody, for everyone. Even if you are advanced, if your English is too much advanced, you can also watch this video and you can like support, or you can learn, or you can bring some creativity while learning these activities. In paying your attention very long times, and I hope you will enjoy. And thank you very much for understanding, and thank you very much. Thanks.